Man, New Orleans nigga, hit him up, shoot him up, fuck it, dump his body with the pickup truck. It's a stick up duck, so nigga give it up. You only got one life, so nigga live it up. Before I end it quick, and yeah, them chopper bullets like blenders, bitch. Y'all boys sugar sweet, nickname should be Splendor, bitch. We could shoot it out, I got never ending clip. Yeah, young man in this bitch and I ain't even grown. Got niggas twice my age scared to leave home. Yeah, nigga, you casket sharp. Count down to your death like 106 and pop. I'm a pit when I balk. Spitting all over, better watch where you walk. Better watch how you talk, cause I be on your block, nigga, ready to spark. We could shoot it out. We could shoot like look, soldier, thanks for the beat, but I'ma take this bitch straight to the street. I'ma kill this shit, I'ma nail this shit. New Orleans my home and my target is your dome. Then I go and get money, bitches buzzing, no honey. We riding out on niggas when it ain't sunny. Niggas who hate now real, very fake. And yeah, we got them ovens, fuck around and get baked. Keep on running your mouth with that bullshit. Finger on the trigger, and yes, I will pull it. I don't want some more shit, bitch, I want your shit. Bang at the door, bitch, hurry, let's go quick. Oh no, look, I bought a gun. So run, nigga, run. Man.